Want to launch a stunning Shopify store in minutes using AI? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to design your Shopify store from scratch, step by step. No coding, no stress. Let's dive in. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms out there. Whether you're dropshipping, selling digital products, or building a full brand, Shopify gives you the tools to build and grow your online store fast. Start by heading to shopify.com and click on Start Free Trial. You'll enter your email, create a password, and name your store. This only takes a minute. Once you're inside, welcome to your Shopify dashboard. This is your command center where you manage products, customers, orders, and of course, design your store. On the left menu, under the Sales channel, click on Online Store. This is where the magic starts. Here, you'll see the Themes section. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes. Click Customize on the default theme to get started, or explore new ones in the theme store. Now, here's the cool part. Shopify can design your store with AI in seconds. Just click on Design your store in seconds and describe the kind of store you want. For example, you could type a classic clothing store with beautifully tailored pieces and haute couture fashion. Give it just a second. And boom. I will generate a complete theme and layout based on your description. It's fast, smart, and completely customized to your vision. Wow! Shopify just gave us 3 free theme options, all based on the description we entered. Pretty amazing, right? Now go ahead and choose the one you like most. Click on Demo to preview how each theme looks in action. Layout, fonts, product display, everything. Once you've found the perfect match, click Apply Theme. Just a sec. Wait for it. Boom. Your store now has a professionally designed theme made by AI. That's how easy it is. Now that your theme is applied, it's time to make it your own. Click on Customize to open the visual editor. Here on the homepage, you'll see different sections like Header, where you can add your logo and navigation template, the main body of your homepage layout footer, where you can include links, newsletter sign-up, and contact info. On the left sidebar, click Theme Settings, and this is where the real magic happens. You can adjust your logo colors, typography, layout animations, and many more options to match your brand's personality. Everything is visual and easy to tweak. No code required, and that's it. In this way, you can design your entire Shopify store using AI. Fast, easy, and totally beginner-friendly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your store idea. See you in the next one.